Counting your horse's steps between jumps is essential. Having a mental calculator that starts counting as soon as your horse lands from the first jump enables you to know where you are in relation to the next jump. Does your line ride long? Do you need to use your leg to create a longer stride to get close enough to the second jump? Does your line ride short? Do you need to collect your horse's stride to avoid getting too close to the second jump? If you haven't learned to count strides, you may not know the answer to these questions.